Welcome back to our series all about creating an influencer media kit with Wix. So you've designed, customized, and optimized your influencer media kit site with Wix. Now it's time for the final step, testing and publishing it. In this video, we'll walk you through how to preview your site, catch any last-minute details, and officially take it live for the world to see. Let's get to it. On the Wix editor, click on Preview. This lets you experience your site just like a visitor would. Scroll through each section carefully. Check your bio, stats, your collaborations, and your contact form, and make sure everything looks clean, professional, and easy to navigate. Click through all of your buttons and links. If you've added a Download Media Kit button, try to test it to confirm if the file opens correctly. Also, try your social media icons and see if they take you to the right links or to the right places. Since many brands will also check out your media kit on their phone, switch to mobile view as well. Just click on this mobile button at the top. Look for overlapping texts, awkward spacing, or images that don't scale properly. Simply adjust anything that feels off so your site looks great on every device. If you find things that you need to work on, click on Back to Editor and continue fixing such mistakes. After you're done fixing all the things that you need to redo or to fix, go ahead and preview your site once again. Basically, it's just a matter of fixing mistakes and previewing until everything is perfect. Once everything's all good and ready, you're now ready to click on Publish. And that's it. Your site is now live. Now that your influencer media kit is live, it's time to use it. Add the link to your Instagram bio, include it in your email signature, and send it directly to brands when pitching. And basically that's all for now. In the next video, we'll talk about ways to share and promote your site. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next step. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.